If your Vauxhall Corsa washers aren't working, the chances are it's the washer pump that is faulty, or the gauze in the pump is blocked. In either case, the pump will need removing, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change it and clean the gauze. So the pump is located on the off side with the pump at the bottom of the bottle. You will need to remove the lower trim and part of the inner wheel arch liner. On the inner wheel arch, there consists of about 3 or 4 Torx 25 bolts. Then move onto the lower front section. There are a lot of Torx T25 bolts here and quite a few 10mm bolts. This will then lower down and remove. You will be able to see the washer pump. Then, using a screwdriver, simply pry the pump out. Get a water container and be prepared to get wet. Now that the pump is out, you can see the gauze. This needs removing from the bottle and cleaning. The screen wash becomes all crystallised and blocks the gauze. To remove the pump, it's worth marking the pipe so you don't get them mixed up. Then there's just the multi-plug to unclip. All that's left to do now is replace the new pump, fill the washers and check for the operation. We can see now they're clearly working. A job well done. Let us know how the job went for you, and thanks for watching. This has been How to Fix It. Please give us a like and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed watching this video, here's some more great interesting videos for you to watch up next.